Hey there, Dr. Andrew Merrill here at Nightlight Chiropractic in downtown Orlando. And today I wanted to share with you a little piece of homework that we give out to a lot of our patients. And it uses this simple bottle of water that you can find at any grocery store, probably have some in your house right now. And what we use this water bottle for is to redevelop some curvature in your neck. So if you're having neck pain or headaches, upper back pain, even tingling into your arms and hands that you've gotten from sitting at a computer too long and kind of falling into this posture, we can use this water bottle to redo some of the curvature in your neck. Get some of that curvature back is going to help to get rid of some of that neck pain and get rid of some of the tingling into your hands. So real simple how to use this thing. You're going to take it, you're going to turn it on its side on a carpeted surface. You want it to be full, maybe cold, maybe room temperature, but not frozen. When you freeze these things, they get really hard and really uncomfortable. So you're gonna lay down on your carpeted surface or your yoga mat, and it's gonna go right behind your neck. So you're just gonna lay there for 5 to 10 minutes every evening. Now, why do we do it in the evening? Because that's when we want to stretch the ligaments and the muscles to kind of redo that curvature, and then we want you to go to sleep, right? We don't want you to do this first thing in the morning because what it's gonna do is help to stretch those muscles and ligaments, and then you're gonna go right back to playing your Candy Crush or whatever you're doing and kind of deform your neck even further. Now, there's a couple caveats to this, and a lot of it has to do with the size of the water bottle you use, right? Because these days it's like, if one is good, two is better. If my doctor tells me to do this, then I'm gonna do that because that's gotta be better, right? So simple rules to this are you should use a water bottle that's between 16.9 ounces and 20 ounces. Now, why is that? Well, I took the liberty of measuring all of these different water bottles to show you that all of the 16.9 ounce and 20 ounce water bottles are between 8 and 9 inches in diameter. But as we get to these larger water bottles, like a Fiji water bottle is square, so you wouldn't use that anyways, but this Evian water bottle is 33.8 ounces, and you wouldn't want to use that because it's so big in diameter that what it's going to do is actually force you into flexion when you're laying down, and we don't want that. So when you're laying down with this water bottle behind your neck, you want your back and shoulders to touch the ground, and you also want your head to touch the ground so that your neck is the only thing that's being pushed up towards the ceiling. And you just lay there. You lay there for 5 to 10 minutes, and what it's doing is helping to use a process called creep, where it's reshaping the curvature of your spine. If you do it consistently for about 60 days, what we've seen, and we've tested this against a lot of the other products on the market that are designed to get curvature into your neck. And if you're watching this video, you might actually get an advertisement from one of those companies. But we recommend that you start by just using this water bottle 5 to 10 minutes every night for 60 days, and it's going to do just as good for you as anything out there in the market. These things are everywhere. You can get them no matter whether you're traveling, whether you're at home, whether you're in a different country. You can always find one of these water bottles, which is why we recommend using them versus a lot of the other cylindrical objects that you might find and test out. Anyways, that's all I have for right now. I hope you try out this water bottle trick. Very simple, very easy to use. It's not going to hurt you, and there's almost no other caveats to it. If you ever have questions, you can reach me, Dr. Merrill, at nightlightchiropractic.com, or you can come see us in our downtown Orlando office if you need some help.